More. What's next in this list? Oh. When fat people and I collide. Oh god, I look like a dinosaur fat guy. Oh. What's this do?
Make your eyes big.
Okay. Okay, fat guy.
No, you get really
Fat guy has a really small head. I'm deformed. Oh man. Oh, we already did this one. What's this do? Dude, I feel like I'm really old. Looks like I got like evil teeth. I get farther back. How do I get it to? Oh, one eye. Wait. I can't do it. Oh, dumb. Wait. I'm a transformer. Bubbles. What else do I have? Ooh, it's snowing outside.
Alright, that's what my sister does.
Whoa. Define whoa. Old time. Random bird.
The one that makes you look fat.
Yeah. Nah, that's. Just give me a hat. Wait. Oh yeah.
Oh, is that the one you were talking about with Jake and his
Come on, where's the hat? Yeah, there's the hat. There's the hat with my smoking ears.
How does it know where your ears are?
It's demented.
Oh, your ears are long?
Yeah, I'm the dog. I control his every move. Blink,
Yeah.
no!
Wait, when you blink it then?
Yeah, so you ready? Wait, do it. I must be off the center. And turn, if you get like lined up with the camera, you can like kind of do stuff with it. Yeah, he's just blinked and randomly did something. I'm a Chinese man.
Oh, that's you. How's that going?
Now I'm a little pigly. For people that are afraid of clowns, like Tyler.
You're afraid of clowns?
Tyler's afraid of clowns. Who would ride a dirt bike in New York or a skateboard in New York City? This is dumb. Oh man, girls taking pictures of me. Now I'm getting painted. Huh. Get down from there.
You should put this on
I should.
Camcorder. Do it.
Get down from there right now. You with the thing. With this. Happy birthday. No, I don't like that. What if we put Obama in there? Oh. And now it's smaller. It looks like Tyler. What? Mighty tongue.
It looks so upset.
I'm trying to upload the things, but I look so fat. It's unbelievable.
Dude, you get just like you could fun with Camcorder or something like that.
Why not? What is this? Well, it looks like my arm's like big and. Oh, yeah. No. Bad. I have one big eye. That's weird. Wait, I'm pushing the wrong eye. Shut up, dogs. Oh my god, Dichi. You're getting in on this. Dichi, look at the camera. Come on, I gotta get you looking fat. There we go, fat dog to the rescue. Huh. Where's Deech? And now he's fat. Where's the twirler? Oh yeah.
That's all.